year's Diwali will be a little different. We'll celebrate people coming together as one, despite the distances. The importance of we and not I. The forging of a nationwide family and becoming one. Introducing Ekatvam, a collection that is an ode to the beauty of oneness. For the first time ever, India's craft forms have come together with the karigars from all over the nation to form a beautiful confluence. These craftsmen and crafts come from various parts of India, like Nakkashi from South India, filigree from the region of Bengal, Rawa and Chanda from Gujarat and Rajasthan, and stamp work from Maharashtra. With a multiple of them layered over each other, the results are stunning. Let us all get ready to show the world the beauty of oneness.
Wow. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm totally floored by just the sheer magnificence of Ekatvam. And I think this is the perfect time for us to understand the design inspiration and, its various nuances. So to present the collection, I welcome to your screen Ms. Revati Kant. Ms. Revati, over to you.
Thank you, Xenia. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the launch of a very special creation for this festive season, Ekatvam, the beauty of oneness. 2020 has been a rather difficult year for all of us. What the world has seen in the last few months is totally unprecedented. But I'm sure you all will agree that what has kept all of us afloat is the power of oneness, with unity, compassion, empathy, and care. Power of oneness has the power to overcome any challenges we come across. Social distancing has distanced all of us. But look at us today. We have overcome that distance and we are with each other. Every year, we launch a festive season to participate in the celebrations along with our customers. But this year, we have done something special. It is more purpose-driven. It is beyond just a collection for the festive season. This year, we have tried to unite humanity through beauty and artistry. It's a journey and it's something very, very special. At Tanishq, we have tried to bring together our customers, our karigars, and of course our jewelry as a symbol of confluence of humanity, especially during these trying times. So Ekatvam stands for that. The inspiration behind Ekatvam is oneness. And what we have in Ekatvam is a wide array of 160 odd products across various categories like necklace, earrings, pendants, special accessories like mang tikas and all of that. The best part is over 1,000 karigars have come together to get or to actually realize the dreams which our designers had. Over 15 different art forms and techniques from all over India has come together to build this collection which truly stands for the oneness which we have tried to create. The key highlight, if I were to talk about the collection, is really the fusion of techniques. Techniques from all around India have come together and each piece has been created and perfected and mastered. So we can say that each piece is truly a masterpiece and each piece has a story to tell. In fact, the fusion of techniques coming along with a lot of layering which gives a very expansive look and absolutely new silhouettes has helped us create something which is truly unique and differentiated. The intelligence use of design and technique has helped us to create a collection which is an absolute delight, both in terms of aesthetics as well as affordability. Let me take the opportunity to take you through some of these special products created especially for this collection. Ekatvam. This is one masterpiece I'm going to be talking to you about. Let me pick it up so that I'm able to give you a good view of the product as I speak about the techniques and the design which is gone behind that. This is really a masterpiece, a true epitome of Ekatvam. Because what we have tried here is to get techniques from all 4 regions of the country into this one piece. If you could see the pillars here, these are created with a technique called Nakashi, coming from the south of India. In this technique, the karigar takes a thin sheet of gold metal and works on it. A lot of hard work goes in to get the riposi work done onto this piece. We also have Partaj, another hand technique, which is also pretty complex and requires a great deal of detailing to achieve the kind of consistency we have achieved here. So the Partaj technique comes from the north of India. And we have beautiful chandak work and Rasgrava, which is a technique from the west of India. And it truly complements the other 2 techniques. These 2 make the product look very delicate and very feminine. And of course the flat wire work. This is from the east of India, painstakingly done to achieve consistency and gap within each and every piece. So this is what makes this piece so unique, very, very flexible, very easy to wear, and a beautiful silhouette. And this goes with a very, very interesting pair of earring, a jhumka with beautiful gungu around it. So this is one such piece from Ekatvam, and this piece truly represents the traditions you carry along. A piece which can go with any ensemble during the festive season. So this was one, and I have the privilege of wearing the other piece which I wish to talk to you about. So this is a choker, and as you all may be aware, choker is really trending this season, especially part of about the keyboard dressing, and that's all is visible. And choker is really big when it comes to about the keyboard dressing. So we have not missed that opportunity. We wanted to make our products relevant to this particular point in time when a lot of people would want to sport their chokers for their online meetings, as we have done. This piece is a lot of intricate work with stamps, a lot of 3D layering, and a lot of workmanship. And actually the chandak workmanship is in full display in this particular piece. Though this piece is pretty structured, but it's absolutely flexible because each and every piece is linked together to, in fact, sit beautifully in any neck. And the emeralds here add to the little bit of cheer during celebrations. Comes with an earring, it's pretty contemporary. And this set can go with your contemporary or ethno-contemporary or a totally ethnic outfit during the festive season. So this is another piece from Ekatvam, there's been a lot of detailing to achieve what we wanted to create, and we would like it to portray the whole oneness, the essence of oneness, what we have been talking about. There are other interesting pieces in this collection. There is even a set which has got about 7 different products. It's absolutely a bride's delight. It's got the masterpiece, the necklace and the earrings, and of course matched with all the accessories like mantika and nuts and everything to go with. So Ekatvam has it all this season. Considering the sentiment, considering the gold prices, we have been very sensitive to this, and we have tried to create and innovate techniques in such a manner that we are able to give a great expanse at the same time where it's very lightweight. It's truly affordable on products. So we have this collection even starting at around 40,000, and very lightweight necklaces even starting at around 50 grams. So it's going to be a surprise, and this is really our tribute to to the people who have gone through so much this season and they are waiting to come and truly enjoy this festive season. So the power of oneness has helped us achieve this. Our karigars, as we spoke about, they came together with us during difficult times and along with our designers helped us to bring this alive, because there is no way we could disappoint our customers while the season and while the timing is such. We wanted to give something which we are always known for, only the best. So I would like to wish all of you a great festive season ahead. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kant. Truly jewelry is the most transformative thing one can wear. And Ekatvam is the creation of craftsmen that create with passion and love. In fact, while I'm talking about it, why not show you what I mean? Let's take a look.
कारीगरी, कुछ सीखी कुछ सिखाई, हर हाथ ने यहाँ एक नई परंपरा बनाई। परंपरा ऐसी जो पीढ़ियों से चलती आ रही है। पीढ़ियां कारीगरी की, परंपरा कारीगरी की, कुछ पूरब की कुछ पश्चिम की, कुछ उत्तर की कुछ दक्षिण की। कारीगरी, कुछ सीखी कुछ सिखाई। एक कारीगर की हथेली में जन्म लेती है ये कला, फिर कभी स्याही से तो कभी आतिशों से सजती है ये कला। ये उस कारीगर की हथेलियां ही हैं जो इसे इसकी राह दिखाती हैं। ये उस कारीगर की हथेलियां ही हैं जो इस कारीगरी को उसकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाती है। कुछ पूरब की, कुछ पश्चिम की, कुछ उत्तर की, कुछ दक्षिण की। कारीगरी, कुछ सीखी कुछ सिखाई।
नमस्कार, আমি উজ্জ্বল পাল। मेरा नाम राजेश दास है।
আমার नाम सुबोध पाल।
मेरा नाम है हबीबुर रहमान।
मेरा नाम महेंद्र है।
मेरा नाम सुजीत राय है।
मेरा नाम गौतम चक्रवर्ती।
मेरा नाम चिनेश शाह है।
मेरा नाम है अमोल सिल। मेरा नाम सुजान विश्वास है। मेरा नाम डोनल है। मैं मीनाकारी और पर्दास लगभग 7-8 साल से कर रहा हूँ। 7-8 साल से मैं नक्काशी का काम करता हूँ। मैं 10 साल से फिलीग्री कारीगरी करता हूँ।
मैं पिछले 30 साल से गोल्ड ज्वेलरी में जुड़ा हुआ हूँ।
सोने का काम मैक्सिमम मैं 15-16 साल से कर रहा हूँ।
আমি 24 বছর ধরে সোনার কাজ করি।
मेरे फादर है, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ पूरी जड़े के काम में ही गुजारी है और लगभग मुझे जब तक याद है मेरे दादाजी भी यही काम करते थे, तो हमारी 3 पीढ़ियां इसी काम में है।
इस कारीगरी की मंजिल बेहद खूबसूरत है, लेकिन उससे भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत है इस मंजिल तक पहुंचने का सफर। एक बेहद दिलचस्प सफर जो कई ऐतिहासिक गलियों से गुजरकर हमें अपनी कहानी के किरदारों तक पहुंचाता है। ये गलियां कहानियों और मिसालों से सजती हैं। कहानियां कारीगरी की, मिसालें कारीगर की।
Bringing the many art forms of one land in unity through Ekatva. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to talk about the festive plans for the brand this year. I now request Mr. Arun Narayan to take us through the same.
Thank you, Zinia. Like I said earlier, we are investing behind this festive season. We are not cutting back. We're not staying on the sidelines, and we believe that's a responsibility that we have. When we've spoken to a lot of our customers, the sense we are getting is many of them are wanting to buy jewelry. A study that we have done shows that about 70% of our customers are open to buying jewelry, of which half of them are very keen to buy. And therefore, we believe that whilst as people, we want to stay safe, but we also want to take our lives forward. And this festive season, more than in the past, I think has a greater meaning to people. People like to bring in auspiciousness. People want to celebrate after months of being locked down. People want to connect with each other after months of being away. And this festive, be it Dashera, be it Diwali, be it so many other special days that fall in between, we are going to see customers coming back and wanting to bring cheer into their lives. And that's our reading after speaking. That's our sense of how this festive is going to be. And we'd like to really be optimistic and be positive about it, and that's why we are investing behind this festive season. And therefore, this investment in a beautiful collection and a beautiful campaign that brings together a beautiful thought of oneness that we'd like to leave behind with people. In terms of our investment also goes in terms of all the effort to create, all the effort to develop this collection, and also an inventory which is there in our stores. In fact, as we speak, the collection has already reached our stores, and the marketing campaign will also begin. Our marketing campaign for Pujo has already begun last weekend, and the national campaign for Ekatvam will begin early this week, in fact, starting today or tomorrow. And we are using the platform of IPL for the first time to create high decibel visibility. Apart from television, we're also on print through multiple rounds across centers, large digital presence, supported by a large digital presence outdoor. So we are going to town with this campaign and with this beautiful thought of Ekatvam, and we believe that it will augur a certain optimism, a certain hope, and whatever we do will stand to benefit our karigars and in helping them rebuild their lives and really look forward and put all of this behind us. So that's really what we are thinking of. But at the same time, we know that it's important to be safe. It's important to take safety standards in our stores forward. And as traffic builds up for the festive, we have a whole host of ways by which we are going to keep our stores safe, starting with not expecting customers to come to the store, but really taking the store to customers. So there are many ways by which you can buy jewelry even without visiting our stores. You can shop from the comfort of your homes through video calls. You can ask for collection images to be sent to you, and you can interact with the store in so many ways, whether you'd like to pay, whether you'd like to receive the invoice through email, right? Everything can be done from the comfort of your homes, and that's something that we are investing behind. And in the event that you want to come to the store, there are so many ways by which we can make your visit really short so that you can really stay safe and enjoy the pleasures of buying jewelry very, very safely. So there's a lot of technology investment that's gone behind it, and that's something that we believe is already finding favor with customers. And it's amazing the way customers have responded to technology. Even in small towns like a Shivakasi or a Bareilly, video calls have really been a revelation, and customers are absolutely comfortable in looking at jewelry at their own pace. Like Ajoy said, the whole family gathered around their smart TV. So it's really, these times have really brought new opportunities of engaging with customers that we are really going to take forward into Diwali. So we've got our hopes lined up, and we are very, very bullish and optimistic about this. And more than anything, we believe it's a responsibility and a great way to celebrate craftsmanship, celebrate the karigars, and bring the best that India has to offer through one collection, which also spells oneness, which is Ekatvam. Thank you, and really wish you all a wonderful festive season, and above all, great health and cheer.
Thank you so much, Mr. Narayan.